starting with the first questions on not-for-profit organization. From the following information, prepare receipts and payment account of Clean India Club for the year ended 31st March 2015. We have particulars and amount. So, we write it as Clean India Club receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2015. The debit side is our receipt side and the credit side is my payment side. Now, cash as on 1st April 2014 means this is opening balance of cash. So, I will write here to balance brought down. It's a new, so I have to write brought down and say as on 1st April 14, and this is 5,000 rupees. Now subscriptions, through subscriptions, that is my income, it is receipts, so 2 subscriptions. That's my income, 37,000. Okay, donation, again my receipts, my income, so to donation. Donation, subscription and fees, 3 items that form the major receipts. Okay, so your donation is 7,000 rupees. And your entrance fees, to entrance fees is your amount is 3,000. Now rent received from club garden, again my income, to rent received. Rent received from club garden is 5,000. Okay, taxes paid, isn't it my expense? So by taxes paid, taxes paid is 500. Electricity expenses, again my expense. My electricity expenses of 600. Now interest received on investment, my income, so to interest received on investment. Interest received on investment 1,000. Okay, honorarium to secretary, my expense, because I am giving something to the secretary, to secretary, it is 2,500. Okay, insurance premium paid, so again my expense, by insurance premium paid is 2,000. This is your expense. Now let me sum up the receipt side first. I will always sum up the receipt side first, because generally it is the balance cannot be more, expenditure cannot be more than what I hold. So this is 58,000. The total here also should come up to 58,000, and the balancing figure will be by cash as on 31st March 2015, that is, it can be called as cash in hand. how much is it? It comes up to 52,400. It is 52,400 is your balancing figure. So moving on to the next question. Before that, see, whenever you receive some question saying receipts and payments, immediately write here receipts and payments to your credit side, then you will not go wrong. When it is income and expenditure, then do vice versa, just turn the sides. But when it is receipts and payment, go serially, receipts in your debit side and payments in your credit side. So going on to the next question.